One day, the base's loudspeakers announced the arrival of a contingent of Afghan Commandos and American Green Berets. It was 2008, and the U.S. was increasing its forces in Afghanistan. Nezam was on a cleaning detail in the mess hall when he heard that the Green Berets were looking for Afghan recruits for the Commandos. Now that would not be boring. Nezam continued mopping the floor until he heard boots crunching on gravel. He peeked out a window. American soldiers with mirrored sunglasses and baseball caps sauntered past in camouflage and body armor. Nezam turned to one of his squad mates. "Man, whatever that is, I want to go."